emergency for the Catalina and Santa Barbara.
More cities in China are on lockdown.
This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Emergency Notification Alert System of Puerto Rico. The President of the United States has declared a national emergency due to the coronavirus outbreak. Presidents and governors of other countries that have been affected by this virus has also declared national emergency. Multiple major outdoor events like sports, Disneyland parks on USA and France, concerts, scheduled events, schools and college classes, and so on, have been canceled or postponed until further notice due to the virus outbreak. Authorities of other countries have closed all frontiers to avoid a contagion to spread. It is also reported of mass chaos on civilians by buying exaggerated amount of toilet paper and hand sanitizer regarding on the pandemic event. Health authorities warns that this virus can stay in your body for 2 weeks, but this only affects on the elderly. The reason of fatalities is due to low immune system on the elderly. Younger civilians have very low chance of dying by this virus since their immune system is a lot stronger than the elderly. Up next, the current National Information Center statement update of the coronavirus outbreak for today, March 13th of 2020. China. 80,813 cases, 3,176 fatalities. 4,020 serious and 64,111 recovered. Italy. 17,660 cases, 1,266 fatalities, 1,328 serious and 1,439 recovered. Iran. 11,364 cases, 514 fatalities and 3,529 recovered. South Korea. 7,979 cases, 67 fatalities, 36 critical and 510 recovered. Spain. 4,209 cases, 120 fatalities, 190 serious and 189 recovered. France. 3,661 cases, 79 fatalities, 154 serious, and 12 recovered. Germany. 3,116 cases, 6 fatalities, 2 critical and 46 recovered. United States. 1,832 cases, 41 fatalities, 2 serious, 6 critical and 9 recovered. Switzerland. 854 cases, 7 fatalities and 4 recovered. Norway. 876 cases and 1 fatality. Netherlands. 804 cases, 5 fatalities, 1 serious and 2 recovered. Denmark. 788 cases. Sweden. 727 cases and 1 fatality. Diamond Princess Cruise. 697 cases, 7 fatalities, 14 serious and 245 recovered. Japan. 690 cases, 19 fatalities, 29 serious and 245 recovered. United Kingdom. 590 cases, 10 fatalities, 20 serious and 12 recovered. Austria. 422 cases, 1 fatality and 6 recovered. Belgium. 399 cases, 3 fatalities and 1 recovered. Qatar. 262 cases. Singapore. 200 cases, 11 critical and 97 recovered. Bahrain. 197 cases, 1 critical and 35 recovered. Malaysia. 158 cases, 3 serious and 32 recovered. Australia. 156 cases, 3 fatalities and 26 recovered. Hong Kong. 132 cases, 4 fatalities, 2 serious and critical, and 75 recovered. Greece and Iceland. 117 cases with 1 fatality and 2 serious on Greece. Czech Republic. 116 cases and 2 serious. Canada, Israel and Finland. 109 cases with 1 fatality, 1 critical and 11 recovered on Canada, 2 serious and 3 recovered on Israel, and 1 recovered on Finland. Kuwait, 100 cases, 4 serious and 5 recovered. Slovenia, 96 cases. United Arab Emirates, 85 cases and 20 recovered. Iraq, 83 cases, 8 fatalities and 15 recovered. Egypt, 80 cases, 2 fatalities and 27 recovered. Portugal, 78 cases. San Marino, 77 cases, 5 fatalities and serious cases. Brazil, 76 cases. Thailand, 75 cases, 1 fatality and serious case, and 35 recovered. India, 73 cases, 1 fatality and 4 recovered. Ireland, 70 cases and 1 fatality. Indonesia, 69 cases, 4 fatalities and 5 recovered. Lebanon, 68 cases, 3 fatalities and 2 critical. Romania and Poland, 64 cases with 6 recovered on Romania, 1 fatality and 2 serious on Poland. Saudi Arabia, 62 cases and 1 recovered. Philippines, 52 cases, 5 fatalities, 1 serious and 2 recovered. Taiwan, 50 cases, 1 fatality and 20 recovered. The following countries does not have fatalities unless advised. Vietnam, 44 cases and 16 recovered. Estonia, 41 cases. Russia, 34 cases and 3 recovered. Chile, 33 cases. Palestine, Argentina and Serbia, 31 cases with 1 fatality on Argentina and 1 serious on Serbia. Croatia and Panama, 27 cases with 1 recovered on Croatia and 1 fatality on Panama. Luxembourg, 26 cases. Georgia, 25 cases and 1 serious. Algeria, 24 cases, 1 fatality and 10 recovered. Costa Rica, Albania and Bulgaria, 23 cases with 1 serious on Costa Rica and 1 fatality on Albania and Bulgaria. Peru, 22 cases. Pakistan, Belarus and Slovakia, 21 cases with 2 recovered on Pakistan and 3 recovered on Belarus. Oman, Ecuador and Hungary, 19 cases with 9 recovered on Oman and 1 critical on Ecuador. Latvia, 17 cases. South Africa, 16 cases. Cyprus, 14 cases. Tunisia, 13 cases. Mexico and Malta, 12 cases with 1 serious and 4 recovered on Mexico. Azerbaijan and Bosnia, 11 cases with 1 fatality and 3 recovered on Azerbaijan. Macau and Senegal, 10 cases with 6 recovered on Macau. Colombia, 9 cases. Maldives and Jamaica, 8 cases. Afghanistan and North Macedonia, 7 cases. Paraguay, Morocco and Moldova, 6 cases with 1 serious on Paraguay and 1 fatality on Morocco. Cambodia, Dominican Republic and New Zealand, 5 cases with 1 recovered on Cambodia. Liechtenstein, 4 cases. Ukraine, Bangladesh and Lithuania, 3 cases. Honduras, Cameroon, Nigeria, Monaco, Sri Lanka and Turkey, 2 cases with 1 recovered on Sri Lanka. The following countries have only 1 case: Togo, Nepal, Jordan, Andorra, Armenia, Bhutan, Gibraltar and Vatican City with 1 recovered on Nepal and Jordan, and 1 serious on Gibraltar. Total, 144,363 cases, 5,403 fatalities, 5,915 serious, 60 critical and 70,864 recovered. Result overall, the total mentioned before and 68,096 unresolved. Source, ENO News. Puerto Rico just announced 3 confirmed cases of coronavirus. The symptoms of this virus are fever, cough, difficulty breathing, only on severe cases, runny nose and sore throat. To prevent this virus to affect you or anyone, do as followed. Stay away from the infected. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer if soap and water are not available or if going outdoors. Cover your mouth when sneezing or coughing. Avoid touching your eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. If you feel sick, remain indoors until you feel better. If symptoms worse or feel the coronavirus symptoms like cough or difficulty breathing, call your doctor or healthcare provider for medical advice. If going out to buy hygiene products, do not overpurchase toilet paper or hand sanitizer. And most importantly, do not panic. Panicking will only make things worse. Tune for local news on your country for more information on this pandemic situation.